Hey everyone, I bought this Syvo brand aluminum tripod, so let's check it out. This model is WT3130, MRP is 3990 and we got it from Amazon for 799. And along with this tripod, a black carry pouch is included and it comes with a phone holder that has a padded grip and it can be attached both vertically and horizontally. It is made up of aluminum material, weight is 694 gram and it has 3-section lever lock legs. Its height is adjustable from 16 inches to 50 inches and it has a rubber non-slip foot pad that keeps it stable. And it is compatible with mobile phone, camera, DSLR. It's little lightweight, so be careful when using it outdoor in strong winds or heavy DSLR. I think it is best suited for budget smartphone and ring light. I previously had this Amazon Basics tripod and the quality was much better than this. Overall, at $799, it's decent for new creators and vlogging setup. The direct buying link is in the description box. If you find the video useful, subscribe. Bye bye.